can you tell us more about the Interstellar Alliance, please?
Yes, the Interstellar Alliance is a group of like-minded beings that have chosen to unite and create bonds and friendships and help assist different species and consciousness throughout the galaxy and the whole universe to choose unity, to choose unconditional love, to understand that everyone is a reflection of you, to understand that we are all part of a whole, that although we are ourselves, we are also a reflection of each other, that we come together to appreciate and acknowledge this, that we may learn and grow from each other, that we may explore together and act in our excitement as we get to know more and more civilizations, we get to know more and more of ourselves, of our divine reflections. Every being in the Interstellar Alliance may choose how to participate and how they bring themselves, what they bring to the table, so to speak. There are many different types of beings that are part of the Interstellar Alliance and different groups that specialize in different parts. For example, a first contact specialist, a being that's more specialized in support and spiritual development, for example, more scientific minded beings. So everyone can bring their knowledge and interests, so we may learn from each other and we may grow and we can become one big galactic family that assists other star systems, other planets, and help them grow and evolve to become their best self, to have their full potential acknowledged, so everyone can get to know themselves as a fragment of source, as a divine being. So this is one of the main goals, to assist planets to travel space together, to explore and learn from each other.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.